What's going on? JakeOfALL here. And if you guys don't know, I like a little bit of low voltage, do some networking, and I needed to get a new inexpensive crimping tool for some RJ45 connectors. And if you haven't used the RJ45 pass-through connectors, those allow you to push the wire through, which is easier to hold on to, and then cut it and crimp it all in one. So we're gonna go ahead, we'll grab a piece of wire and I'll show you how. But before I do, so it's nice, there's a little lock, push that, holds it. Okay, there's your cutter, all right? You can cut a wire, you can strip it. Comes with some of the ends, comes with a little multi-tool. This one also includes a cable tester, so you can plug one into each end and verify that your crimping is good. So that's nice. It's a little complete, everything you would need. I will also show you later on when I cut a wire. I got some of these too, but we'll show you those in their own dedicated video. Okay, one tip also is cut your end at a slight angle, and then when you feed it through. And now we want to make sure that our jacket is in the crimp down part there. Okay, you have a cut end, you have a crimp end. You want to make sure that you're feeding it through properly so that when it comes out, like that, that blade is going to cut it. And then squeeze it. Your ends should be cut, should be crimped, shouldn't pull out. Do it one more time. So pushing them through, right? Angle always helps. Make sure it's in the crimp area. Tool, cut. Push it through. All right? If you twist these before and go like that, well, that didn't work, but it's still crimped. If you twist them completely, when it cuts, you won't have a mess. And now, we can plug in the tester, and as you watch it, it'll count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which means your pairs aren't crossed. So that's cool. It's nice that this comes with it, and it's definitely a good value, and it's definitely going to get you done being able to crimp these without any problems. And now I have a patch cord. What's going on? I'm back. You thought this video was over, but I was doing this little test of this inexpensive Amazon brand pass-through RJ45 crimper. It does a pretty good job. I also got some of these ends to go with it, and I have another brand, and it's much better, but it's a lot more expensive. This is like $25, comes with a tester. These are like 20. But what I'm gonna do is, if you watch this video and you got to this point, you can win this. I'm giving them away for free. All I need you to do is comment what kind of networking project you're gonna use this for, and I'll pick a winner. So thanks for watching this tool review. Have a good one. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification. I'm the JakeOfALL. You guys have a good one.